With the village committee elections approaching in Tripura, Bru families resettled in the Ambassa subdivision have intensified their demand for separate village committee. On Thursday, residents of the Bru resettlement camp located at Hadukolokpara merged to the office of the SDM to submit a formal memorandum. In the absence of the SDM Rinku Riang, the deputation was received by DCM Anis Depnath. The settlers are demanding independent village committee. They threaten to boycott the election if their demands are not met immediately.
Office of the Sub-Divisional Magistrate that we have submitted one memorandum that is for delimitation to do in our RF extend VC to do new creation of VC at Bruha Parastemi location. So our main theme is that until and unless if the delimitation is not done in our RF extend VC and create the new VC of Bruha Para VC, that means we are not going to cast vote. Totally we are going to means boycott. So this is our main theme. So we are enough population, enough head of the family, enough voters. So we want separate BC. So and additionally, I would like to add is in our Tripura state we have 13 Bru settlement location. Our main theme is that we need separate BC of this 13 Bru settlement location. This is our main objective.
Reported by Manish from Ambassa, Chinikhorang.